All right, so we have traced our glowfish. Now we are going to create a background that shows contrast. And we were talking about the night sky and how the stars in the wilderness when you guys go camping, they're bright, aren't they? They're like diamonds shining. So when you look at this, is this interesting? Is there much interest when you look at that? Okay. Now, when I add black to the background, everything around the fish is the background. So the background of this is everything around the fish. What is it, class?
Everything around the fish.
Good. Our foreground is the fish. What is our foreground?
The fish.
The fish. Now look when I add black to the background. How does it improve the picture? Raise your hand. How does it improve the picture? Yes. Yep. It looks like it's nighttime. Nice. Peyton.
It looks like the fish.
Looks like the fish in the aquarium, doesn't it? Nice. Clayton.
It looks like the fish are going in the deep sea.
In the deep sea. Nice. Killian.
It looks like them jumping out of the sea.
They look like they're jumping out of the sea.
Yeah.
Bentley.
It looks like they're popping their heads out of the sea to look at the night sky.
Look at the night sky. Ooh, I like that. That's a good one. Luca.
It kind of looks like that they're going down under the ocean and it's dark.
It does.
That's what I said.
All right. Class.
Yes, yes.
We are going to create this dark contrast because when we have the black water that represents like the aquarium for the glowfish, what happens is this. I will show you in a second here. I think I have, is this, oh, that's my example. Where, oh, here it is. So, we are going to use daubers, and some of you may have used them. Please don't shout out. Thank you. When I give this to you, I'll start in the middle. I want you to look at this. When you are squeezing this just a little bit, you don't have to squeeze it all the time. If it starts getting dry, just softly go like this. It's not like squeezing, pinching your brother or sister. It's just a soft tap. Do I need to squeeze these a lot? No. So I'm going like this. If I squeeze it too much, I'll notice because look up here. If stuff's going out the side because Miss Paisano has changed them, I'll know. Okay, I'm going to start right here. Do you see how I'm going around the fish slowly? I don't want to go like this. If I go like that, am I going too fast?
Yes.
Because look, when you look up close, is that the same as this?
No.
No. So small strokes, go slow. Yeah. Are we in a hurry?
No.
No, we want nice craftsmanship. So our objective is to create a black background. So we're making a dark contrast so that our foreground stands out. So we're making our foreground kind of pop, just like the night sky and the stars, right? Do the fish look like the stars? Yeah.
I got some on the fish.
It's okay if I get a little bit on the fish. Do you notice how I'm moving my paper around? Is it okay if I get it a little bit on the messy mat? Yes. That's why it's called a messy mat. Try, class. Try to make sure when you're doing this that if you get, I call them globs or goobers, sometimes you might push too hard. Go back and just kind of go through it and it will move, okay? Because we don't want globs on here, do we? No. And it happens. Now what should I do? Then I get on the table, I move it. And you see how I'm moving it around so it's easy for me? You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to go here like this. Take your time. What kind of strokes? Small and concentrate. Am I in a hurry?
No.
No. And so some of them are kind of nice because this one's tiny, right? So is this one easy to do? Yep. It might be, but then it might be hard because you're like, oh gosh, I'm going to get it in the fish. And class?
Yes.
I don't want to see this. So if you get this and you have to come back and fix it, fix it. So, because look at those nice crisp lines. I'm going to go like that. There we go. Do you see how the lines are nice and crisp? They make it stand out. Because class,
Yes.
our next step, which I'll make another video for, is going to be this. Look at how those jump out. Ooh. Now, if we don't have the background really nice and black and dark, are they going to pop? No. All right. I am going to pause it right here. I'm going to